We're Immobiliser fit, and this is a 2022 Range Rover Sport protected for Starline S9 alarm. So this is our top of the range S9 with the Halo Plus function, Solaris functions, and we've also got remote start. So this system has an app tracking, so you can see where the vehicle is. You can see loads of statuses. This has only done 13,000 miles. The customer doesn't have remote start on this, so we fitted it. You can either do it through the app by simply press and holding. It goes through the app and the vehicle starts up. You can also shut it down through the app, or you can use the key with a simple 3 press of the lock. So 1, 2, 3, and the vehicle switches off. This also has an immobiliser, so if someone got in the vehicle when it was remote started, or they had the key, started it up themselves, got into the vehicle, went to drive it away, put their foot on the brake, go to select a gear, being a Halo Plus, the vehicle cuts out, switches off, and as you can hear the horns going mad. If we try and start it again, put it in gear, vehicle cuts out again. So to drive this, we'll start the vehicle up, we'll go through a code, system disarms, and we can drive away. This is the Starline S9. This system also calls your phone if there's an attempt, the vehicle's hit, lifted or moved. You're going to get a phone call. You can see all the statuses within the app. So if we go into the app, unlock this phone. Here we are. If I open the door, see the driver's door is open. We've got a no entry sign, which means the system's immobilised. I'll start the vehicle up. We still have our no entry sign, ignition's on. We'll see the vehicle's running in a second. There we go, engine is running. Now we'll pop our code in, 1, 2, 3. Our blue LED will go out confirming the system's disarmed. And in the app you'll also see this no entry sign. After a few seconds will disappear, meaning the system's disarmed and you're able to drive your vehicle. This is our Starline S9 with the Halo Plus facilities, Solaris facilities on a 2022 Range Rover Sport. We've also added in remote start, as you've seen through the app, on the keys, so the customer doesn't have to keep up with the Guardian subscriptions through Range Rover. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.